Right, in this video we're going to look at the relationship between the area of similar triangles. So we've got here in our diagram a similar triangle ABC, the red one, is similar to DEF. And we should be able to see that, since if we look at the corresponding sides, if we see AB and compare that with the corresponding side DE, then we can see that this ratio will simplify to be K. Now this K we call a scale factor. So we can see that in our result here. It's the scale factor squared when we compare the ratio of the areas. So the way we're going to show that is use our formula for the area formula with sine. As a quick recap, if we have any triangle here ABC, if we know this angle here A, then if we can use the adjacent side lengths, let's call them C and B by convention, then the area is going to be a half multiplied by those two adjacent lengths, CB, times by the sine of the angle in question. So we're going to use that result here to help us with our two triangles here. So ABC, the area of ABC, is going to be a half multiplied by, well, let's take this angle here. So we're interested in the side PK, and the other adjacent side is MK. Multiply that by sine of B. Now let's take, in the blue triangle, triangle DEF, with this notation here. So that's going to be a half, and if we take the equal angle, of course they're equal because of the similar triangles, then we're going to say the adjacent sides are P and M, multiply that by sine E. Now you notice that these two things must be equal, because if they have the same angle, we'll have the same sine ratio. So now we can see that if we take the ratio here of these two, then we see that a half will cancel, dividing by P, dividing M by N, and these two will also cancel out because they're the same. And what's left? Well, we've got K multiplied by K, which you can see is K squared. So to look at the ratio of two areas, we can look at the scale factor and square it. It's very important to notice here that the scale factor coming this way, if this is K, then the ratio back the other way would be 1 over K. And so this ratio can also be used inversely.